News update Northeast. Human trials of a new coronavirus vaccine begin in the United Kingdom. Volunteers have been immunized with the new coronavirus vaccine. Assam Governor Professor Jagdish Mukhi on Wednesday took stock of the prevailing situation of the state. State Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal met the governor in Raj Bhavan and apprised him of COVID-19 situation in the state, along with Bagjan gas well blowout incident and the prevailing flood situation in the state. Arunachal Pradesh reported its first COVID-19 related death after a 43 years old woman succumbed to the viral infection on Wednesday. The woman breathed her last while being transferred to the COVID Health Center in Tomo River Institute of Health and Medical Science in Naharlagun, health officials say. A total of 196 COVID-19 patients recovered and were discharged on Wednesday from the various hospitals across the state. In a tweet, Health Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma said, "Discharge alert. Glad to say that 196 more patients have been discharged today after being tested negative. The recovery rate of Assam remained at 63%. The total number of COVID-19 tests in Assam crossed the 3 lakh mark, informed State Health Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma in a tweet. Informing about it, the minister said, "Well done, Team Assam. Our COVID-19 testing figure reached an impressive 3,36,091 on Wednesday 24. COVID-19 cases in Manipur rose to 970 with the detection of 49 new cases in the last 20 hours, official sources said on Wednesday. The total number of active cases in the state is 642. The National People Party has agreed to stay on as an ally with the N. Biren Singh-led BJP government in Manipur. An NPP delegation led by Meghalaya Chief Minister Congrats Sangma along with Manipur Deputy CM Y. Joykumar met Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda, assuring NPP's support to the BJP government in Manipur. 12 Assam police personnel engaged in the fight against COVID-19 have tested positive for the infection in Guwahati so far, while around 180 policemen were quarantined in the city earlier. 12 policemen in Guwahati have tested for COVID-19. Some of them have even recovered from the infection, said Guwahati Police Commissioner Munna Prasad. In the wake of increasing COVID-19 cases in Assam, especially in Guwahati, the BJP unit has decided to temporarily keep its state office closed till June 30, as directed by Assam BJP President Ranjit Das. It has been decided to keep the central office of state BJP unit in Guwahati closed from June 25 to June 30. An official release date on Wednesday. A team of doctors in West Siang district, Arunachal Pradesh, removed a barbed fish hook from the eye of a 9-year-old boy on Tuesday. The fishing hook caught his eye accidentally. That's all from the northeastern region. Reporting Govinda Karki, our voice.